Hey you all, good morning and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the today's video. आज बहुत ज़्यादा थैंकफुली मैं सुबह 6:30 बजे उठ गई और मैं आई एम नॉट पुशिंग माई सेल्फ टू वेक अप एट extraordinary hours like 5 a.m. 4 a.m. I'm just trying to wake up at 6 a.m. So today I waked up at 6:30 a.m. Um, I'm happy. Now it's almost 7 a.m. and I have my to-do list already prepared here because I prepare my to-do list a night before so that I have, because at that time I have all the work in my mind, so I can just jot them down on a paper. Otherwise सुबह होते होते मैं भूल जाती हूँ. So let's start by doing a morning routine. We will do workout, then we will read 10 pages of book, and then we will listen a good podcast के बारे में मैं आपको बताऊंगी और मैं इस बार याद से Spotify का लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में लगा दूंगी. So if you all wanted to listen that podcast that I am listening, so you can also watch that. So let's start our day. And if I forgot to tell you, good morning. It's July, new month, new energy, new 31 days to just try something new, give your goals a new chance. It's excited. Let's start our day. So, as you all know, nowadays I am reading Compound Effect by Darren Hardy, and I will surely recommend you. If you are in your teenage years or your 20s, just go grab that book and read. It's not that expensive book. You will thank yourself later, because this book is not just about success, that how will you get success or some overnight success remedies. It's about the basic habits that we sometimes forget, how our choices reflects our future, how we are responsible for our every choice, how it's important to have good habits in your life and cut out the bad one, how it's important to write down your goals and then work toward them, how it's important to understand that it will take time, it will go slowly, and you have to show up consistency in order to achieve your goals. So just go grab this book, and I am also reading this book and it's really helping me a lot. And I am doing a little bit of skincare. Like, it's been months since I have not applied any kind of face mask. So today I have made today I have made Multani Mitti's face mask, earth powder one, and so today we are going to apply this. Generally, it's not like it doesn't suit my skin, but the thing is I have very sensitive skin, so as soon as I remove this my skin becomes red. So that's why I am going to apply a thicker coat and only on few areas, like on hair and hair, because यही आजकल कुछ ज़्यादा ही स्किनिंग नहीं कर रही है. Skin is not skinning nowadays, but that's okay. It's monsoon almost, so it's going to be like this. Currently I am also listening podcast. I have done with doing workout, reading 10 pages of book, and also doing some household chores. Now it's time to do skincare and listening our podcast. Currently I am listening a podcast by Jem's Coffee Shop. It's okay to not be okay. It's okay to not be okay by James Coffee Shop. It's a podcast about like how sometimes we don't accept our feelings, that we are not feeling okay, but we kept telling ourselves it's okay. Accept what you are feeling. So if you are someone who hard feel it hard to accept your real feeling, or just to accept that it's okay that I'm not feeling okay. I'm gonna link this podcast below in the description box. Just go, click on the link, and watch the podcast. It's not that long, it's just 17 or 18 minutes one. You will love that, and it will help you if you are someone who feels hard in accepting your real emotion. And yeah, done, 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 done. Nowadays, all I do is to work toward resuming my business. I have had some bad or worst experience in my business, but I have some great one also. Because of them, I'm returning back to this thing. In May, I was going through mental breakdown, and I took that break from business because it's really important to give yourself some time. And now, from end of June, I am working toward again resuming my business, and it feels great when you do something that you truly love, because one bad experience doesn't define your whole journey. It's just one experience, and you need to let it go, take your lessons, and just let go. And came back again, and I did that thing, and now I'm feeling super great and super happy. I'm really excited to work with some great people. I'm really excited to work on accounts, finances, and everything, to handle my own business. It's a great feeling when you start a small business, and designing is really like a small business, and I really love working toward it. And nowadays I am working on again getting my processes done, my pricing, my services, warming up my content places, and a lot, and working on brand identities. And I'm really enjoying this process, and I just want to tell you one thing. If you are also like me, you love something, you started that, and you just had one bad experience, and you were like, now I'm done, I'm not going to do that again. Take some time to yourself, learn your lessons, and if you really love that thing, if you really love to do that thing, just go back with your lessons more wisely, because it's good when you do something you love. That's when actually you make progress. Yes, I'm back here, and yes, I did sleep in afternoon. Actually, I was feeling dizzy, so after that, I was like, let's take a nap for 15 minutes or for 20 minutes, and I slept around 4:30 p.m. And literally, I waked up after for 10 minutes, 15 minutes at 4:45, and then I slept again. As much as like feeling good after sleeping, I am feeling guilty also, because I slept and I have good much work to do. After getting done with my day, I did my dinner, and in the night, I was doing crocheting. Crocheting is a really great habit, or is a really great thing to learn if you really want to just switch off your mind. Sometimes, when I got tired and when I'm done with the day, I just do crocheting, because it helps me to just switch off my mind and be in the present moment. Don't think about past, don't think about future. It helps me to just ground myself, so I do that in mostly night. And nowadays I'm watching Virgin River, so I mostly do this while watching that series. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, like the video and hit the subscribe button to stick around, because I'll come again with another great video. And until then, take care, ta, bye bye, enjoy your life.